So, my loves, we are going to be reviewing this serum. This is a Karis Naturals Lemon Brightening Face Serum. But this serum surprised me. Like, I saw this serum randomly and I bought it because this Karis brand is actually new. They have a lot of things now. They have body lotions, they have hair products, they have body sprays. I'm actually using their body spray and it's really nice. So I saw this serum, the face serum. I was like, okay, fine. If their body spray is nice, why don't I try their face serum? I didn't want to go straight to body lotion. So I got this one, and honestly, let's look at the ingredients, or let me actually show you what it looks like first. So this is exactly what it looks like. Yeah, I don't know how clear this is, but just manage with me. Okay, so the ingredients list, it actually has different variants. It has this is a lemon. So it has, I'm not sure why making this video. I'm going to check and place the picture. I think vitamin C or orange. It has other variants. So, but when I saw lemon, I'm like, lemon in a face serum, it was, I said, okay, fine, let me get it and try it. So let's look at the ingredients first. So the very first ingredient here is glycerin. It has propylene glycol. It has water. So water was the third ingredient, or water is the third ingredient. So there are a lot of things that made me to like say, this face serum, water being the third ingredient. So the fourth ingredient is niacinamide. The fifth ingredient is kojic acid. The sixth ingredient is citrus lemon, which is lemon fruit extract. The seventh ingredient is ethyl ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C. The number one, am I? 6 to 8 ingredients is morus amber, which is mulberry extract, and then sodium metabisulfite, which is preservative or something like that, and then perfume. This serum has niacinamide, kojic acid, lemon extract, vitamin C, and mulberry extract. Five active ingredients. Now let's remove niacinamide from the list. Kojic acid, mulberry extract, lemon extract. It was a lemon that really got me, that made me to buy it. And I'm going to tell you what I think about it. Okay, so let me show you how it is. Actually big. It is 50 ml, and I got it for 5,000, 4 5 thereabout. So it's cheap for the size. It is 50 mil. It is 50 mil. So as you can see, I've not used much, because the very first day I used it, I got a reaction that I didn't like. So I now devised another means to use it, because just like I told you, I got it because I saw lemon. So because normally lemon is not something you go about using on your face like that. So I was like, okay, let me try it, since it's in a serum, face serum form, it's going to match. So the very first night I used it, like I used it very how do I put it? I used a lot, like the way I use my serums now. So when I woke up the next day, I would have gotten that on camera, but I didn't. When I woke up the next day, I had this part of my face here was red. It was red. So I was like, okay, so I didn't use it for some days. The redness didn't last. By the time I had my bath and applied my normal morning face routine, it went off. But the point of the matter is that I woke up that morning and I saw something very unusual that I usually don't see on my face. So that same night, because I was just using it at night, because it's lemon, obviously. Anything lemon, anything lightning, it should be used at night. So I use it again at night, but I now use it very small. Okay. Now another thing I want to point out is it said it's a face serum, but it doesn't have that serum consistency. This thing looks like oil, but it is lightweight. Okay. Let me show you. So look at, just one. Let me show you what, like, you see, it's just like an oil. Can you see the shine? And the fragrance is quite, it just smells like lemon oil. If you have used a lemon oil before, that's what it smells like. So, and it's like dries into the skin. Can you see that's dried? So I think that this glycerin they wrote here, I think this is glycerin oil because there are different types of glycerin. There's glycerin in water form, there's glycerin in essence form, there's glycerin in oil form. So I feel that this glycerin here might be glycerin oil or something like that. But it has an oily feel. It has dried now. But when you bring it out, when you take a lot, like that night, I took like this whole, I took like a lot that I applied on my face. So just, you see now, it's oily. It looks oily now, but if it stays small now, it will dry. But this will take time because I actually put a lot. The first one I put was just a drop. So, but you see, my hands are way oil, like it looks like, it feels like oil. So another thing I notice is that when I put it on my palm like this and rub it together, my palm becomes very hot. Do you understand? My palm becomes very hot, which is one of the things that actually made me to become very scared of putting it on my face. Not the first day I just applied it normal. I didn't rub it on my hand, so I just put it on my face and rubbed it. I didn't feel any hotness. I didn't feel anything. But from the second day, I now say, "What? This thing looks like oil. Let me rub it on my hands." Do you understand? So I rubbed it on my hands. As I'm doing this thing, my palm feels very hot. But when you release your palm, the hotness goes. Do you understand? So yeah. How do I now use it now? I use it on targeted areas. I no longer rub it all over my face. Okay? Because I don't, my face is not dark. But honestly, this is going to work for somebody that has serious pigmentation on your face. Like all of you that are saying that, oh, your face is very dark and all of those things, your face and your neck is dark. This is going to work for you because this thing is potent. Do you understand? Anything you rub on your palm and it gives you that hotness feeling, like is lemon, so it is potent. Okay, but if you have sunburned skin, from my experience, so this is my experience, if you have sunburned skin, I would not really suggest you go for this lemon one. Maybe another variant that is calmer because lemon can be hot and lemon is not for people that have sensitive, sunburn skin. Your skin is prone to redness. I will not recommend it for you. But you are someone that has a normal skin, but you're just having pigmentation. I will recommend it for a younger person. I will honestly recommend it for girls or guys, maybe in their 20s, early 20s, that hasn't had any skin damage of any sort, to use a lemon serum on their face. Do you understand? So personally, I have already bought it. So how I now use it is to use it on targeted areas. Like I have this dark spot here from a pimple that, yes, I could not have patience and I pinched it. So it left dark spots. So what I now do is I just put on my palm, just a drop, and I dab it that place. So this is how I just use it now. And I've not used it for so long, but I know it is going to work. From the reactions I got from this serum, I am not doubting the effectiveness. I'm not doubting that this thing is going to brighten up your face, glow up your face. I'm not doubting it. I am making this video so in case you buy this, you are going to know how to use it. Okay, so make sure if you are buying this, don't use it with a vitamin C, don't use anything acid, and also use it at night. Use it at night. I will not also recommend you using it every night, depending on your skin type. Some people's skin are, stubborn and tough and all of that. But I don't have tough skin. My skin is very, active. Once you just put something, it reacts instantly. Do you understand? So this is a good product. It is a good product, but I got it to actually see how a lemon will be on the face, and this is my honest review about it. It's a good product. It is obviously going to work. This is very potent, guys. If you don't want to brighten up your face, if you don't want to lighten up your face, don't go for this particular product. If you have dark spots, this will really help for you, or this will really help you. Do you understand? Although you might really have issues with using it as a spot treatment because it's like an oil. See, my hands are still my hands are still oily. Although it is lightweight, this is not going to clog your pore. Even as someone that has oily skin, I have oily skin. It didn't break me out. Okay, it didn't break me out. So this will not break you out. Hopefully for you, but for me, it did not. As someone with oily skin, yeah. So as you can see, it takes time to sip in when you use a lot. This was how I used it that first day, and I think that's why it reacted, because I use my serums abundantly. Like I use a whole, this thing. So that was how I used it. I think that was why it reacted like that. But since I've been using a drop, like now I just use a drop, palm, rub it on my palm. Once I feel the hotness, I release my palm and I allow it to cool off. I don't rub it on my face with that hotness. So once I feel the hotness on my palm, I release it, let my palm cool down, then I dab it in the areas I want to use it, and I've not had any issues or anything. So as you see, it still looks like something that's not, because I'm using it one drop, one drop. Also, I'm going to recommend this for to use on your dark elbows, your armpits, your knees, all those dark areas. This is going to work for you. See, this is not just for your face. This is going to work for you. The way it is potent, and the fact that it has this oily feel, it is going to really help. So if you have all those places on your body, darker places on your body, you can get this serum specifically for it, even if you don't use it on your face. This is really going to help to brighten up those dark areas in your body. You're absolutely going to love it. So I love the product though. I love it. I bought it for experimental purpose to actually see how a lemon in a face serum would work. So yeah, thank you for watching. What do you think about this product? Would you buy? I think next time I would like to try their other variants. If you want me to try, let me know the one you want me to try in the comment section. And by next week or next 2 weeks, I will get it and I'm going to try it out and let you know how it is.